I've built countless Shopify stores and I spent tens of thousands of dollars on developers and designers over the years, but in the last few months, something has completely changed in the e-commerce world. And I mean completely changed. These new AI tools have transformed everything. And I'm not talking about general AI capabilities that everyone seems to be hyping up. I'm talking about specific tools that 99% of people don't even know exist yet. Now, the old way of building Shopify stores was like constructing a house brick by brick in the rain. It took weeks, it drained your bank account, and honestly, most people gave up before making their first sale. This new approach is like having a 3D printer for e-commerce. You input what you want, and within minutes, not days, not weeks, minutes, you have a fully functional conversion optimized store that's ready to make sales. The main thing is this: the old way was design first, so you're spending weeks making your store look perfect. The new way is test first. So you set up a store in under like an hour, you test multiple products quickly, and you scale what works. But this isn't just about building a store faster. It's about transforming you from someone struggling with technical details into someone who looks like an actual e-commerce expert with years of experience. And instead of spending thousands, you can do this for less than $50. The problem is, this opportunity window isn't going to stay open forever. These AI tools are still flying under the radar, but more people are discovering them every week. Now, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use these tools to build a high converting Shopify store from scratch. So let's get into it. All right, guys, now that we understand the opportunity here, let's dive into the first step of our system, actually building our store. So I'm going to show you guys how quickly we can get this thing set up. And then after that, I'm going to show you something that honestly blew my mind. And it's how to customize the product page for literally any product that you plan to sell with a single click of the button. So first things first, you can go to any one of my YouTube videos and we're going to go to the link, build your store. And then from there, you're just going to press build my store. So put your name, your email, and your password. And then after that, it's going to ask you to select a niche. So if you're selling pet products, select pets. If you're selling fashion products, then select fashion. Depending on whatever niche that you selected, in this case, I selected fashion. This is the store that it populated. So you see the product page looks really good and we can actually add all of our customizations on the left side, but we're probably not going to be selling the preloaded products that are on here. So this is where it gets really interesting. Now, this AI store builder, it gives us a solid template and all the backend that we need. So all this jargon that we really don't want to have to take care of, which is all the privacy policies, all the structure, that's all good to go. So the next thing is that we want to create a nice usable product page that is actually going to convert. And for that, I like to use this app called Atlas. This tool that I'm about to show you guys, it's going to be linked in the description, is insane because it actually builds a product page for you by simply adding in your AliExpress listing in there. So let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. After that, you're going to be directed to the app dashboard that looks like this. So as I mentioned, all you have to do is take an AliExpress link. Let's just say, for example, I wanted to sell this product. I'm going to take this link, going to go back into Atlas, and I'm going to paste it here, generate store, and that's pretty much it. All right, so once it has generated, it's going to prompt you here, and you can just select the images that you want to import, and these are going to be the ones that are sourced from that AliExpress listing. Now, it doesn't really matter because you can just change them afterwards, and I'm going to show you guys this really cool way to get your own images. So after that, you go to continue, and then from here, you just select your color scheme, whichever one that you like. I recommend going as basic as possible. So let's just say we wanted to go with this tech luxury. And as you can see, it has built us a high converting product page. It scanned this entire listing to figure out what we're selling, what the main angle is. And it was able to build a product page. I mean, if you just look at the copy as well, maximize sweat, burn fat. Of course, all this stuff is interchangeable. It's like super easy to change. So let's just say my store was Andy's store. You input your store name there, change the pricing like this. Say I want to sell the product for $45.99. And then all you have to do, if you're happy with this, you just go to launch store, and then you have your store that's going to be launched within a few minutes. So then if I just want to go launch store, so you can see this is now the product page that we have here that we can still edit to our liking. So let's just say that you also wanted to add another product. I don't know, this unit right here. And all you have to do is take that listing that link and then go into AutoDS and then add products, add single product, and then copy and paste. You could publish it straight to the store. And then as you can see, that product has been populated here from that AliExpress listing. So anytime you want to add a product onto here, you simply just take that link, you go into AutoDS, and then you import it under add products, add single product. Now the main thing here is that anytime you get an order from this listing or the other listing, as long as you have AutoDS set up as your main supplier, it's going to order the product from whatever listing that you attach, and it's going to automatically fulfill the order for you. So you don't have to go in and add the customer's information each and every time. It'll just populate under this orders dashboard. And then you just have to buy credits, add your credits in, and then it'll just auto fulfill for you. All right, so now that we have our store set up, let me show you how to actually get really good studio quality photos so that you can make that website that we just built look as professional as possible without needing to pay anyone or hire some crazy photographer, designer to take photos for you. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know yet, but ChatGPT 4o can now generate literal product images that look like they were taken from a professional photographer or an insane graphic designer. And here is why this matters. So if we're saving all this time on the store setup and product photography, you should be focusing, putting all that energy on what actually matters, what actually is going to make money, and that's testing different products, optimizing your marketing, and analyzing your actual data. So I'm going to show you two examples. We have this photo right here that looks very drop ship like, right? It doesn't look great. And then you have this right here that looks insanely professional. And I did this with AI in literally 30 seconds using ChatGPT 4o. So what I've done is I have created these prompts that all you guys have to do is copy and paste. They're just templates, and you input your information and then you copy and paste it. I'll leave it in the description. It's going to be totally free. I've already done this for us. So you take that first prompt and then it says, act as my professional product photographer, create a professional product image of, I inserted the product name in here. For the style, I did clean minimalist product photo on a white background, angle, fat burning, weight loss. And then from here, I added in the example photos of the product from the AliExpress listing that we have here. And then it came up with pretty much exactly what I wanted. Now you can see that I said remove the fire ring around the waist because I didn't really like it, but I do see what it was trying to get at. And look at how clean that looks. Like, this thing looks so good. So then the second copy and paste image that we have here is more lifestyle. I said a luxury gym, and then you can see what it came up with. Exactly what I wanted. And look at how clean that looks using the product. It's like, guys, I'm completely blown away. The next one that we have here that you guys copy and paste is a close-up photograph of the product. And it came up with this. And I said, okay, let me just see the full angle of the product. And it did exactly what I needed to do. So what you guys can do from here is take all these images, all the ones that I like, and I can continue to mock up as many as I want. Take all these images and drag and drop. And these are going to be the ones that are visible on my store. And I'll position this one as 1, 2, and then we can see here, we just refresh. These are the images that we added in here. That looks fire. And of course, you can choose to add some of these images into the product description as well. So I could throw it into here, but it just makes your store look way more professional. So we got our AI store looking amazing. The product page is all good to go. And then the product images that we created in a matter of seconds. But here's the thing. There is one more piece to this system that basically multiplies your revenue without any extra work. Now, most beginners are so focused on getting traffic to their store that they completely miss what's right in front of them, and that's making more money from the traffic that they already have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to set up product bundles that can literally increase your average order value pretty much immediately. So here is how it works. Instead of just selling products individually one by one, you can create these strategic bundle offers like buy 2, get 15% off, buy 3, get 25% off. So for example, if someone's looking at a t-shirt on your store that is $35, you might show them an option to get 2 shirts for $59.50 instead of $70 normally. And that's going to be a 15% discount. Now, what this does is the customer feels like they're getting a good deal, and you're increasing your average order value without spending any extra money on ads. So your AOV and your conversion rate both go up at the same time. Let me show you how easy this is to set up. It's going to take us a matter of minutes. All you have to do is download this app right here, Rappi Bundles. It's one of the most popular bundling apps on the Shopify platform. So after you've downloaded the app, you're just going to press create a new bundle. And as you can see, you have multiple options for bundle types. So there's a mix and match. So you can like create a combo of products, or you can do these quantity breaks where they are saving at volumes. What I like to do, it also depends on the product, is select this item. So in our instance with the product that I am using within this example, it's going to be best to use this quantity breaks. So all you have to do is select choose, and then from here you'll have the option for the customization. So I want to select the specific product that I'm going to be using. So I'll just go specific products, and then I'll select that unit that we were using, this premium sweat enhanced vest. From here, it's just a matter of adding our own touch. So the various styles I would recommend, if you're going to run it like this, especially on mobile, you want to have this overlapping style instead of the side by side. And then you can just change like the radius and stuff like that. It doesn't really matter too much. Of course, the colors, you want to make sure that this is going to be in tandem with your color scheme that's on your website. To be safe, you can just do black on white. And then from here, these are where we can customize the bundles. So you can add this and then add another bar, quantity break bar. And then I could just name this one like the 3-pack, the subtitle below. What you really want to do is make sure that you select the second one by default so that that is what is pre-selected. So I just did this. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it's done. So here it is, it's done. I added my own little twist, changed the color scheme. Of course, made sure that the pricing structure is set up correctly, and we can see what it looks like previewed on the website. So this is what it looks like on desktop, really clean, and it just makes the whole purchasing process a lot more seamless instead of the customer pressing quantity 1, quantity 2, quantity 3 if they want more than one unit. We just make it a lot easier for them. And of course, this is what it looks like on mobile. So there's a lot of customizations that you can do to this, but you kind of want to keep it as basic as possible. But for the most part, if I'm interested in buying more than one unit, it makes it very easy for me. Simply select the sizing, and then I add that, and then of course I get my discount, and that discount is very visible here. So we make it very obvious, and we encourage the customer to buy more units because they are going to get a discount. So if you guys add this on here, I'll guarantee that it's going to increase your average order value from anywhere from 10 to 20%. So if you guys don't have it, then you're just missing out on a lot of potential revenue that you could be making. But what's really powerful about this approach is that it fits perfectly with our testing first strategy. So instead of spending more on ads to get more customers, you're making more money from each customer that you already have. And you can think about it. You're not spending an extra dollar on ads, but you're making significantly more from the traffic you already have. But here's where most Shopify stores completely fall apart. They have no idea if they're actually making money even with these kinds of optimizations. So let me show you the final piece that brings this whole system together. So here's the thing. We've set up this amazing store with AI, but without tracking your actual profit, you're basically flying blind. Now, most beginners, they just look at that big Shopify number while they're losing money on every sale, and they have no idea. So let me show you a tool that completely changed my business by giving me real profit visibility. Now, same thing, all you got to do is go to the description, and it's going to be True Profit. True Profit's probably one of the biggest apps on Shopify. I mean, it's on the main page right here, but I'll leave a link for you guys, a free trial. All you have to do, install the app. Cool. So once you sign up for the trial, you're going to be directed to a dashboard that looks like this. All right. So before you look at the dashboard itself, what's really cool is you can just use this setup process, and you pretty much need to get all this done before anything. So of course you'll have your orders synced up as long as you sign up with your Shopify account. The next thing you want to do is set up your cost cost of goods, your actual COGS. So you just go into here and make sure that, or you could just watch that video, but basically all you have to do is make sure that the cost of goods sold right here, this dollar figure, is actually what you're getting the product for. So what it's going to do is it's going to pull your AliExpress listing that is linked to this product, and then it'll give you that number there. So the AliExpress listing in this case is $6.93, and then that's the selling price. However, if you're getting it for a different price, make sure that that reflects. And the handling fees, if there are any. So once you do that, you just go back here and then you set up your shipping costs. So we can go here, set this up. All right, so then once you're in shipping costs, let's just say that you have a base cost for all of your orders. You just go into here, edit, and then you set whatever that amount is. Let's just say you're charging $4.99 for shipping, but it's pretty straightforward. If you have various zones, for example, right here, if you have like a domestic zone and you have an international zone, then you're gonna wanna make sure to create that here and then set the exact cost there. And then of course, you're gonna want to add in your marketing channels. So this is really important because if you're spending money on Facebook or you're media buying on any of these platforms, that spend is gonna get synced up to True Profit. So then when you go to your dashboard right here, it's gonna populate the amount that you spent on ads, it's gonna populate the amount of orders that you had, the total revenue, and then you can see the total cost based on how many orders came in. And then of course your net profit. So this is really nice because it will show you everything. You can even see the transaction fees, the shipping cost, and then you can get a much better idea as to whether or not you're actually making money instead of flying blind. But yeah, super important tool. And if you guys don't have this, then it's gonna be really tough to know if you're actually making money or if you're losing money. Other than that, you guys, that covers everything that you need to build a high converting Shopify store using these insane AI tools. Now, what I love about this approach is how it flips the traditional e-commerce model on its head. Now, instead of spending weeks on your store design or knowing if a product will sell, you can now test 5 to 10 different products in that time that it used to take to just test one. You can think about what this means for your success rate. So if the average dropshipper needs 10 products before finding a winner, you can do that in a week instead of months. Honestly, the time to implement this is now, not when everyone's using the exact same AI tools and the advantage is gone. If you're ready to take the next steps, check out this video on finding winning products. And other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.